Squats are a functional exercise, ones that help your body perform real-life activities, and are one of the best and most natural ways of toning your body. Squat exercises can be done with or without weights. Either way will benefit you, and by adding weights will lead to improvements to overall muscle mass. Benefits of squats. Squats help build muscle. They don't just help you achieve wonderful toned legs, they promote body-wide muscle building by creating an anabolic environment in the body. They work up your quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, abdominal muscles, lower back and your butt too. Not many exercises can claim to recruit so many muscles at the same time. Squats burn calories fast. Because they help you build muscle, you'll become more efficient at burning calories, so you can get to that slimmer physique faster. Add weights to your squats and you'll burn the calories even quicker. Squats help improve flexibility. Improving your flexibility should be part of any well-rounded workout training plan. Our muscles, tendons, and ligaments become less elastic with age, so doing all we can to slow down this process is a good idea. Squatting regularly will see you limber up and become more flexible, as the exercise involves bending and stretching of the leg muscles. Squats help with mobility and balance. Strong legs are essential for staying mobile as you get older, and that's where squats come in. Not only do they develop leg strength, they also work out your core, stabilizing muscles. These muscles help you to maintain balance, while also improving the communication between your brain and your muscle groups, which helps prevent falls. Squats help strengthen your lungs and heart. The effort required to squat helps strengthen your cardiac muscles and improve your lung capacity, especially once you start adding weights. Squats can help prevent injuries. Most athletic and workout injuries involve weak ligaments, connective tissues, and stabilizer muscles, muscles that aren't directly involved in a movement, but work to keep you steady, so that your primary muscles can do their job. Squats actually help to strengthen these supportive tissues, which can mean the difference between an injury or not. Remember though, technique is paramount when performing any exercise including squats in order to avoid injury. Squats can maintain and improve your joints. As squatting engages your hips, knees, and ankles at the same time, the load not only helps build muscle, but also improves joint health and joint strength. Squatting keeps bones strong. As squatting is a load-bearing exercise, it helps with overall strength, which is great for younger people, and also older people who may have a low bone density. The strengthening will therefore help with injury prevention. Improves your speed and your ability to jump. Due to improved strength in your body's lower extremities, the ability to produce power is improved. As a result, your acceleration and jumping ability is improved. Great for your tennis game. Postural improvements. With improved core strength and leg strength, your posture will also benefit. This is because posture is influenced by muscles in your front back, which work together. However, be sure to combine squatting with stretching and mobilizing. Squats improve digestion and circulation. An overlooked benefit of doing squats relates to circulation and digestion. The speed in which fluids travel through your body is improved when exercising your leg muscles, which allows more oxygen and nutrients to travel through your body's organs. This includes improvements to small intestine efficiency. Improve your daily life and physical abilities. Naturally, with all of these improvements, daily tasks such as getting up from a seated position or lifting objects will become easier, which is especially important for later in life. In addition, squats are perfect for cardio and sports that involve the lower body. They'll help you move and play longer.